Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make banana cake. Instead of wasting your overripe bananas, make a banana cake. You don't even need a mixer to make this recipe. It's easy to do by hand. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I'm using all-purpose flour and a little bit of cornstarch. That's a substitute for cake flour. If you have cake flour, you can just go ahead and use that. Oil, eggs, yogurt, sugar, vanilla extract, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground ginger, and cloves. And of course, bananas. These are extremely ripe and is a great way to use them up. I'm using a 9-inch cake pan to make this banana cake. To the flour and cornstarch, add the salt, baking powder, baking soda, ginger, and cloves. Whisk all the dry ingredients. Put the bananas in a bowl and mash them. Add the yogurt. Eggs one at a time. Vanilla extract. And oil. Add the sugar. And the flour mixture in thirds. Mix just enough so all the flour is incorporated. Don't overmix it. Rub a little bit of oil all over your cake pan. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Tap it a few times to get any air bubbles out. Bake in the heated oven for approximately 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Put a toothpick in the center of the cake. Pull it out. It's clean, there are no crumbs, there's no wet batter, the cake is done. Let the cake cool for 15 minutes on a rack. After 15 minutes, run an offset spatula or a butter knife around the sides of the cake. The pan is still hot, so use oven mitts or a cloth if you need to. I always pull it a little bit from the side just to make sure that it will come out easily. Just like that. Put a cake board or a plate over it and turn it over. And thankfully it came out in one piece. You can see the steam is really hot. Just flip it over onto the rack. It's soft, but it's a sturdy cake, so it's not going to break apart. Lost a crumb there. Let the cake cool completely on the rack, and then you can cut into it. It's a soft cake full of banana flavor. The cake is not overly sweet. It's just right. If you like, you can put some powdered sugar on top. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. As always, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.